Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really interesting little speaker, the Xoopar Boy Bluetooth speaker. Right away, you notice its unique look and its mini, portable size, which makes it perfect for taking anywhere. The build feels solid too, thanks to that durable aluminum alloy material. It's designed to be tough and travel-friendly, fitting easily into a bag or even a large pocket. Getting your music playing is super easy with this speaker. It supports wireless music streaming using new Bluetooth technology, so pairing with your phone, tablet, or any compatible device is quick and reliable. This means you can enjoy your tunes without being tethered by wires. But it's also incredibly versatile. It features a stereo audio input interface. This means you can easily connect it directly to computers, digital music players, cell phones, and other audio devices using a standard audio cable. This flexibility in connectivity is a major plus, ensuring you can use it with almost any audio source you have. Now let's talk about the sound. The information provided states that it adopts a high-quality audio decode chip, which is intended to let you experience perfect sound quality. For a speaker of this size, delivering perfect sound is a significant goal, and the inclusion of this chip suggests an effort to provide a superior listening experience compared to basic mini speakers. With a maximum output power of 6 watts and stereo audio output mode, it's designed to provide clear and engaging audio. While 6 watts might sound modest, for a speaker this compact, it can be surprisingly powerful, suitable for personal listening, adding sound to a small room, or enjoying audio outdoors in a quiet setting. The stereo output helps create a more immersive soundstage, even from a single unit. Powering it up is convenient because it has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. This is fantastic for portability. You don't need to worry about constantly buying or replacing batteries. The built-in battery is described as environmental protection, energy saving, and practical, highlighting its convenience and eco-friendly aspect. You simply charge it up, and it's ready to provide hours of playback wherever you are. The input voltage is 5 volts, which is a standard USB voltage, making it easy to find chargers or power sources for it. So what you get with the Xoopar Boy Bluetooth speaker is a compact, durable speaker crafted from aluminum alloy that offers flexible connectivity options, both modern wireless Bluetooth and traditional wired stereo input. It's built with portability firmly in mind, powered by a convenient and practical built-in rechargeable battery, and designed to deliver quality stereo sound thanks to its audio decode chip and 6 watts of power. It seems like a solid and versatile option for anyone needing a small, reliable speaker for personal use, travel, or adding audio to various devices. It truly packs a lot of features and capability into its mini size, aiming to provide a great audio experience on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.